We'll guide you through how to make an automatic wool farm in Minecraft. First of all, go and break a block, and you need to go and place an observer in there, just like so. Now what you need to do is go to the side where the triangle is at the bottom, break that block, and it should go and look like that. In front of this face, break 3 blocks, and break another 2 down, so therefore it's 3 deep. Behind the observer, place some redstone, then come back into the trench, and at the bottom to the right, you need to go and place a chest. We'll just do a double one. Then what you want to do is go and place a hopper going into that chest, so hold shift while doing it. On top of that hopper, go and place some rail track, and on top of that, you need to place a minecart with a hopper, like so. Then what we can do is go and cover the hole up, just like so, and what you can do is go and put a trapdoor just over here so you can still access the chest. Then what you want to do is place the dispenser on top of the observer and go and put shears in there, like so, and then you want to go and put glass around it. Make sure you leave an entrance so we can go and get a sheep in here. Just like so, it's now in there. Now, all you need to do is go and wait. When the sheep eats the grass, the observer will trigger the shears, and as you can see, the wool will build up.